which is production assistant, asking a master degree. So guys, this was the top 10 jobs in Germany, which is in... Hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, I hope you are doing absolutely fine. I'm doing amazing. So guys, this is a part 3 video in which I will be telling you 5 remaining jobs eligibilities for German jobs. So basically let's start the video, and before that I want to request you, if you are new on this channel, then guys don't forget to subscribe it, because then only you will be getting the notification that yes, German Gyan video is live. So basically, if I talk about the next thing, then let's start with it. So basically, I have told you in the earlier videos for software developers, electronics engineers, doctors, nurses, IT consultants, and so on. In this video, I am starting with the 6th one, which is very important. So yeah, let's start. So guys, 6th one is basically customer advisor, or I can say accounts manager. These two are the different jobs. So let me tell you in a huge way. So if I talk about customer advisor, then they don't need a much experienced people. If you are doing customer service, you are talking to the people, you are clearing the queries of German or any field, then yes, this job is for you. But they want a very good German person, especially in speaking. You should have a B2 level of speaking certificate that is required for this customer advisor jobs. In this job, basically you have to talk to the customer and solve their queries. Now if I talk about accounts manager, then yes, if you are in accounts field, definitely you are having a great opportunity for you. So yes, basically for accounts you must need 5+ years experience, and in a very good company, because they are looking for the people in a with the experience of good persons. And minimum, if I talk about minimum criteria of German, then at least B1 level you should. Talk about 7th one, which is a very unique, which is production assistant. Now what is production? People are so confused, so let me clear your queries. So basically, what is production? In production, you must have a degree, a very good degree in mass communication. This is totally about you must have experience, you must have a strong foundation skills on whether there are so many options in this: screenwriting, some designs work, or you write the scripts, or if I say about you do production, you can arrange cast and everything. So yes, this job is for you. So whosoever have done mass communication, then yes, opportunity is there. Just go and apply it. For this, minimum German qualification is again A2 plus B1. A2 person can also apply for this, but B1 is the minimum criteria they accept. So you will have to show the B1 pursuing certificate, then they will accept it. If I talk about the experience, then experience should be minimum at least 2+ years in this. So yes, definitely you can go. And one more thing, in this you must have a good English also, because you must have to talk in English for German movies, for German cast and everything. So yes, do remember it. So yeah guys, 8th one is sales representatives, or basically sales assistants. So for this, there is a huge demand in Germany, but yes, their criteria are little tough, because first of all, you must have a very good degree in sales, economics plus marketing. So if you have done MBA in marketing and such thing, then kudos to you. Now if I talk about the next criteria, then you must have a very excellent communication skills with the customer in German and in English both, and if you can speak Hindi, all the very best. Now know that what is the statistics and the sale process of sales and everything. First of all, of course, they will be giving you the training for whatever product they will be hiring for you, and so on. So this job definitely you can apply, because this is in high demand. If I talk about experience, then at least 4 years plus experience they are asking for you in Germany. Again, I am saying, if you want to apply, as I have said in the last video, I will be making a proper video that's sitting in India, how you can apply in Germany for your jobs. And if you want to apply right now, then I will be linking some websites, so definitely you can go and check it out. So yeah, now let's talk about 9th job, which is basically sales manager. This is a higher post, sales manager or product manager. So basically for them, they are having criteria 3+ year experience you must have. It is a must. Minimum 3+, maximum if you are giving 5+, then you are in a priority list. Now if I talk about the eligibility, then they are asking a master degree in sales, in product selling or marketing or economics, so definitely you must have that. And if I talk about the package, then package will be getting in a huge amount that you cannot imagine. So yes, definitely you can go and apply. Last but not the least, that is civil engineer or architecture job. So basically in this job they are asking a very few things, but yes, this job is in high demand, especially civil engineers. So basically they are looking for civil engineers, the BTech and MTech also, so definitely you can apply. And minimum criteria job is 4 years plus, so yes, you can check it out. So guys, this was the top 10 jobs in Germany which is in high demand, and these were the jobs eligibility for you. So guys, this was it for today's. I hope you liked it and this video will be helpful for you definitely. So please do share it with the needy peoples, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Next Tuesday I am coming live on German Gyan YouTube channel itself. So if you have question related jobs, studies, visa, anything, then I am here to answer your questions. And this series will continue next Saturday. Next episode will be coming, that how you can apply your visa sitting here, how you can apply a job sitting in India. So go and check it out. All the very best. Stay tuned with German Gyan. And if you are looking for German language course, then yes, German Gyan is providing you online live session classes in a very huge discount. So yes, just go and enroll with us, and you can contact me in the comment section or YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, wherever you are comfortable. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning German with German Gyan. Bis bald.